Is my morning avocado toast really breaking the budget? No.
How can I even think about a budget with student loans, a car payment, cell phone, and trying to find a place with decent rent? Thinking about all this stuff is just, ugh!
Do I really need to be worried about my credit score? Or is it just a made-up number, like the time slot the cable company gives you for appointments? 1:30 to 4:30. Lies.
I'm Betsy.
I'm Amelis.
I'm Bailey, and we are the Dollar Bells. We're here to answer all your real-life questions about cash, checking, savings, credit, and all things money that may be on your mind.
Stop by for real tips, tricks, and real conversation from real people that have the same real financial issues that you do.
Like whether or not you should book that trip to the Maldives, even though you only have $200 in your savings account.
Or you could just plan a staycation instead. It'll be just like the Maldives. Okay, maybe it isn't.
We'll figure it out, and you will too. We'll see you next time.